Well, when I started work as a telephone mechanic for the PNG just after the First World War, motor vehicles were hard to come by. For a while, I used to cart new phones in a wheelbarrow to wherever the job was. Telephones were starting to get really popular when people saw how they could be used, and we were very proud of our work. We used to take a lot of care to make things look right.
The two innovation centres are located away from the main offices. In Sydney, they're located in a building at North Ryde, in amongst the technology industrial estate out there, quite close to a lot of our suppliers and technology providers. The second location is in Melbourne at the Docklands, and it's designed there to be in an environment where other technology companies, some of the university's research facilities will also be co-located. The objective of these centres is to try and provide an environment which we can demonstrate the use of our products in everyday life. In a home, in a small office, home office environment, we could do it in a large corporate or enterprise environment, hotel room for hotel clients that we might have.
I've stayed in worse hotel rooms than this.
And actually show how the standard components in terms of electronics or communications equipment can be networked together using Telstra products to deliver a better service to our customer base.
Here we are. So, pod 4, Rocky. Yep. So that one's gone because we've expanded the office. Yep. And these are the two, one here.
The second reason that we've created these centres is to create a separate work environment where teams of people from the Telstra Research Labs, from our engineering and technology groups, from our product groups, marketing, channel groups, and indeed some of our partners, whether they be CPE vendors or actual distribution channels, can actually participate with us and use certain tools like the Six Sigma design processes and so on to create new products and services.
So the coffee shop goes from here to this one.
So we'll take a germ of an idea such as home networking, get a team that works on it for a period of 12 to 16 weeks with the objective of coming up with a design for a product or service, and also outlining all of the issues that need to be addressed at the network, product, platform layer or in the channel. So that's in that way you achieve faster cycle time to market and a better customer experience.
All right, once you've got that, I'd like you just to dwell on...
We're running some cultural change initiatives and a cultural induction program for all people who come into those centres to ensure that they're ready and able to be at their most productive in that kind of environment.
Seldom do people get 12 to 14 week periods to work on one project exclusively. And by having them work in a team environment with a group across the company, we hope to actually enhance the cross-business unit cooperation, so we don't have the silo effect that often is referred to inside the business, that we create an environment where we can celebrate success together in terms of getting a product or a new service to market. And I think also to get them an opportunity to work outside your traditional working environment.
Within HR, we have a real key role to play in that, ensuring that when we pull people out of different businesses, that we're able to have people standing in their roles. That again, it creates opportunities behind them.
People can't work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It just doesn't work.
And then that we're able to take them and put them back in the organisation in the same role without losing or skipping a beat.
We're not going to replicate the same demonstration capability in each centre. So you might find that the home environment, the small office, home office and hotel environment might be created in Sydney, and the enterprise environment, a call centre environment and so on is created in the Melbourne operation. And the idea is that they'll be linked through an IPTV connection so that when we actually conduct presentations to staff internally, to our customers, to analysts or indeed to the board members, they can sit in either location and get the whole experience of both innovation centres. One other really interesting feature is that these centres also link into the executive briefing centres that are being built and at the moment for David Thodey in the Telstra Business and Government area. So it creates an environment where our customers can see what's going on inside of Telstra without leaving one location.